Hi, my name is Jennifer Kraus. I just completed Lynn Franklin's workshop on communicating, storytelling, neurosciences. Sounds like it's a heavy topic, but what I actually found in it is that it actually became a relatable and accountable session. So not only did I learn a little bit more about storytelling and adding the detail, but it really brought to me how to connect to people. And listening within the workshop, because it was so interactive, that I was able to see some of the things that I had going on in my business that I was trying to sell within my stories. But I was hearing it communicated from other people, which gave me a bigger point of view and a new way to look at it, to understand that I could communicate through telling of story instead of trying to sell my features. So I gained an actionable item of something that I can change and how to relate to other people. I find it absolutely invaluable in that it will help me go into the future, and then Lynn finishing up with accountability of setting me up with people that actually can hold me accountable to make these changes. So it's very worthwhile. I would definitely recommend anybody to come.